Welcome to my complete English language course on the basics of the English language. In this video, we will see what is prepositions. Let's get started. Let's see what is prepositions. Prepositions are the words that shows the relationship between other words. It will give us information about time, location, or the moment of these words. Let's see some of the examples. The dog runs down the street. The dog runs on the street. Here, down and on are the prepositions. So here, down and on, what we call preposition for giving us the information about the relationship between the dog running and the street. How is the dog running on the street? It's running down the street. So it adds extra information about the relationship between our subject and our object. So this is called preposition. What is prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is when we have the preposition and we include it with the object. Let's see some of the examples. The cat runs down the street. Here, down is the preposition and downs the street is the prepositional phrase. Let's see one more example. The dog runs on the street. So here, on is the preposition and on the street is the prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase is nothing but the preposition plus the object. Now, what type of prepositions we have? We have time prepositions. This tells us when something is happening. And the example is I started school in September. So here in tells us when. So this is called time preposition. And the next one is place preposition. So this tells us where. And the example is she jumped on the table. So the on describes where. So it is called place preposition. And the third one is movement preposition. And this tells us how. And the example is he walks to work. So to tells us how. Therefore, this is movement preposition. So in, on and to, these are all some of the common preposition. But we have still many more prepositions and we will see that in the next slide. Under this type of preposition, we still have more things. We will see that. For time preposition, we have on, from, during and by. And for movement preposition, we have into, toward, down, along. And for location preposition, we have above, over, under, between. We will see some of the examples. I swim at night. So the here at describes when. So it is called time preposition. Put the shoes in the box. So here in describes where. So it is called place preposition. And the last sentence is lean the box towards the wall. Here towards describes how. So it is called movement preposition. And this is the exercise for you. Please try to understand the sentence and please try to figure it out what type of preposition it is and comment down your answers. I'm reading the sentences. My birthday is on Friday. Her house is on the first street. He is driving to the store. So please try to understand what are the different type of preposition it is having and please comment your answers. That's all about prepositions. In the next video, we will see what is conjunctions. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel. Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.